How to earn $1,000 to $2,000 per day from affiliate marketing from ClickBank. Let me give you an example. This video on TikTok is completely faceless and has got 3.2 million views. Before we move forward, let me explain the importance of views. Views are the real people who watch our content, read our articles, and when they like our content, they click our affiliate links. And from our stats on this account, you can see we earn $1.70 to way up to $8.58 per click on our affiliate links. All this money add up and we make big money. And these guys are doing pretty awesome job. They are making completely faceless videos published on TikTok, and they put a simple website link right here in the bio. When viewers click on this link, they first go to this page. This is called a bridge page, and a lot of people call it sandwich page. This is not a real affiliate link, but this page contains affiliate link. So this is a button, and when you click here, visitors are taken to the real ClickBank affiliate offer. When they buy, these guys earn money. That's a wonderful step-by-step process of affiliate marketing. But unfortunately, ClickBank offers don't pay $1,000 to $2,000 affiliate commissions per sale. And this is where our program comes in. We get paid $1,000 to $2,000 to way up to $5,000 per sale. And our system is simpler, easier, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. To know more about our system, check the instruction in the bio and in the first comment. And I will go to Epic. Epic is our video creation software that makes videos without cameras and microphones using image and text. Epic has the ability to take any text right here. I just paste the text here, and if I click submit, immediately all these sections will be generated. Each of these sections will be each paragraph of the text. And also links are in the description for all details. I just want to go straight to the money. But before that, here is an awesome part why we don't use microphone when we use Epic and why Epic is completely beginner friendly. Because there is a text to audio section where you can click add and paste any text. That text will turn into natural sounding voiceover in just one click. So we don't need to record ourselves. And because we make our videos in small sections and we can save our work and come back later to finish this work, it's a completely lazy process. So we don't need to stress about shooting long video and a tedious editing process. It's life made easy for complete beginners. So we can make videos. My 6-year-old son can make videos. Any beginner, team member, and Epic users make videos in just clicks, drags, drops, etc. Now all the helps are in this help page, and even there is a document training for quick guidance. Alright, Epic is free, link is in the description, or you can just browse epic.ai. Here is a simple and effective way to earn $1,000 per day in affiliate commissions just like us. Blockchain and cryptocurrency is rapidly growing and attracting a lot of attention. Millions of people search for blockchain related topics every single month. That's a lot of potential customers for you to target and earn affiliate commissions from. Good news, you don't need to be an expert in blockchain or cryptocurrency to start earning. Step number 1, head over to coursera.org and find free blockchain related courses like this and learn from other free courses as well from other platforms in order to stay updated with the current developments. Step number 2, once you have learned the basics, create your own blockchain and crypto related content and start publishing on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Step number 3, apply for your affiliate links on blockchain and crypto related affiliate programs. Remember to put your affiliate links in your contents like this and ask your viewers to try your link. When they buy from you, you will earn affiliate commissions. But of course, creating and publishing content can be time consuming and a lot of work. And if that sounds like too much work for you, there is an easier way that we use to earn $1,000 to $5,000 in affiliate commissions per sale, while 95% of the work is done for you. Follow the instruction in the bio and in the first comment for more details. Let's earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing. Before we begin, let me show you something awesome. This video on TikTok is completely faceless. The video is teaching you how to check whether your phone is hacked. Just a 30-second video, but very powerful. And they have a lot other valuable videos. And one video right here got even 7.4 million views. Wow, they are doing it great. You can follow them, but there is one thing missing. They haven't added any link or anything that their viewers can buy buy or sign up anywhere in their bio or profile area. They're doing a great job, and in terms of making money, maybe they're doing something different with a different purpose. But if you want to earn money from affiliate marketing, you should put your link somewhere and ask your viewers to click that link and buy from you. Look at our stats. The clicks we get on affiliate links pay us $1.70 to $8.58 per click, and these clicks turn into money. Super simple affiliate marketing. And if you want to go with this niche, you can promote any of the available high quality cybersecurity affiliate programs and earn commissions. But if this sounds like a lot of work, yes, it is. Then you can follow our system. Our system is simpler, easier, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. To know more about our system, check the instruction in the bio and in the first comment. Let's earn $1,000 per sale in affiliate commission. But how about a bonus before we get there? Userfield.com can help you earn some extra cash as side hustle. It's a website that pays you to give your opinion on a Zoom call. While it's great for a couple of bucks here and there, these kinds of jobs are not always available on demand. Plus, you have to try the product. You have to hop on a Zoom call and give your honest opinion in order to get paid. And you will get paid $3 to $30 per test for 5 to 60 minutes of work. But what if I told you there was a way to earn even more money without spending hours on one job? That's where our system comes in. With our simple system, you can earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day in affiliate commissions. It's easy, simple, beginner friendly, takes 30 minutes of your time per day. And the best part, 95% done for you. Check the bio and the first comment for full instruction. You can earn $1,000 to $2,000 per sale in affiliate commissions from the comfort of your home. We will go there, but before that, I want to show you this awesome way to earn money online. This video has got almost 1 million views. Views are important because views turn into clicks on your links, and from each click, we earn $1.70 to $8.58. And when all these clicks sum up, we earn big money. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. Now, this person is expert at math, so he solves math related problems in simple videos, and people love his videos. He has got a lot of followers, a lot of likes, and he's smart. In his bio, he put a link to his course. His viewers can visit this page by clicking this link, then buy his course from here. In case you don't have a course, then you can do affiliate marketing. Simply Google mathematics affiliate programs and search for great mathematics offers that pay affiliate commissions. Make simple videos, get views from TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, get clicks on your links, make sales and make money. But in case you don't like mathematics, in fact, I hate mathematics too, you can follow our simpler, easier, and beginner-friendly system that is 95% done for you to earn $1,000 to $2,000 per sale in affiliate commissions. For more details, check the instruction in the bio and in the first comment. Let's make $1,000 a day in affiliate commissions just like us. But before we begin, this is a famous YouTube channel that only does reaction videos. The owner screams and overreacts to other people's videos, and he has amassed 2.87 million subscribers. He definitely does a great job, and people seem to love his videos. But here is the thing. I think for beginners who want to earn money online, this is a complete waste of time. Instead of reacting to other people's videos, why not make your own simple, helpful, and informative videos just like this one and this channel on TikTok? They make simple image-based videos and get thousands of views. And this particular video has got 6.9 million views, and they are smart. They drive all their traffic to this affiliate link by putting this link in their bio. This way, they're helping people and adding value with helpful information and promoting an affiliate offer. And this is the offer, by the way. When you click on their affiliate link, this is the page you will visit. And this way, they're making money at the same time. But wait, don't get excited. There is a problem in this system as well. They only promote low ticket offer, which will pay you low ticket commissions. Making $1,000 to $2,000 a day promoting low ticket offers is extremely hard. We use a slightly different method and promote high ticket offers and earn $1,000 to $2,000 a day. And to know more about our system, check the instruction in the bio and in the first comment. Here is an easy way to earn $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. And a lot of people are earning every single day. But before that, another classic way of earning making money. Go to Fiverr, search with presentation, and you will find a lot of people are earning up to $650 for creating beautiful PowerPoint presentations. But good news, you don't need skill. Even you can make beautiful PowerPoint presentations by using AI applications like Beautiful.ai. This website will make beautiful presentations for you even if you're a complete beginner. Create, export to PowerPoint, deliver to your client, and get paid. But unfortunately, this is a highly saturated niche. A lot of competition is already there. They have built their reputation, and it's hard to start for beginners. You will not even get jobs every single day. And that's why we don't do freelancing. We do high-ticket affiliate marketing. It's easy, simple, beginner-friendly, and 95% done for you. To learn more about our system, check the instruction in the bio and in the front. It's easy to earn $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions if you promote high-ticket offers that pay out high-ticket commissions. We will go there in a moment, but before that, another way of earning money. A lot of people on Fiverr earn money by delivering summary of contents to their clients. You can create gigs like this and get your job done with websites like tldrthis.com. They have a free version and a paid version. Click this button, use this URL, or paste your text here, create summary, deliver to your clients, and get paid. Or use this summary to create your own content like videos for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. Get traffic to your affiliate links and earn affiliate commissions. But we earn $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions per sale by promoting high-ticket offers, and our system is 95% done for you. To learn more about our system, check the instruction in the bio and in the let's learn how to earn $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions per sale. And you can start from today. A lot of my viewers think that they need a website. Don't worry if that's stopping you, because webnode.com allows you to create your own website without using credit card. You can build using your computer, tablet, or phone, design, start selling, and make money. But it's not as easy as it sounds, because to earn money, you need products to sell, you need content, and you need traffic. But in our case, we use a simpler approach to high-ticket affiliate marketing where we receive high-ticket commissions per sale that makes the whole money-making system easy, beginner-friendly, and 95% done for you. And to learn more about our system, check the instructions in the bio and in the